Good morning, students. Welcome back in the lecture third, class 10, chemistry. That is chemical equations and the reactions. Okay. Now all of you see there. Our next topic is there. That is chemical equations. What is it? Chemical equation. Before starting the chemical equation, just I will tell you one thing. Whenever we are talking about the chemical equation, there is a one side reactant and one side is product. A reactant and product is separated by an arrow. Okay, is separated by an arrow. Okay, then after that, just remember one thing, that reactant is always on the left hand side and product is always on the right hand side. Am I right? Reactant is always on the left hand side and product is always on the right hand side, and they are separated by arrow. Okay. Is it clear? This is about the chemical reaction. Means reactant is converted into the product. In the starting only we have done one activity, might be you are knowing very well. One activity we have done, activity कौन सी थी वो, regarding the magnesium ribbon की थी ना हमने, regarding the magnesium ribbon. Magnesium ribbon was there. Okay, that was burned into the oxygen, and what we are getting over there, we are getting MgO, like this way only, and there MgO was a product, magnesium and oxygen was a reactant. Before doing this equation, just remember one thing very carefully, that we have to represent their symbol also. S for solid. Here O2 is a gas, is represented by G. Here again MgO is a product which is solid, which is represented by small s. Okay, so this is called their state. The state is very important to mention over there. Okay, S means होता है solid. Okay, if G is there, G means gas. If you are using symbol small l, that is called liquid. If anyhow you are using AQ, AQ is used for the aqueous. Is that clear? Oh, clear hai? Okay. Okay, student, now you see in this paragraph what they told you. They told you about the chemical equations. They have taken the example of magnesium ribbon. Now they have written the equation in the words. How they have written? In the words. And what they told you, magnesium and oxygen are the reactant, and what they are forming? They are forming the product, that is a magnesium oxide. And magnesium oxide is a new substance. Is a new substance. That is why it is a chemical change. It is an chemical change. And in between them, what we are writing? We are writing the arrow. Okay, and same thing they have written, ki reactant are written on the left hand side, and if the reactant is more than one, then they are adding by sign of plus. Similarly, products are always written on the right hand side, and if they are more than one, then we are adding it by the sign of plus. Okay, the arrowhead is mainly usually from reactant to product, and it shows the direction of the reaction. Means if the arrow is from reactant to product, it means it is a forward reaction. It means it is a forward. If the arrow is opposite, means from product to reactant, then it will be the backward reaction. Understood? All of you. Now they are saying to you, next portion is there, writing a chemical equation. Same way only they told you. Now they have written that in the symbols Mg, O2 and MgO. Just remember, student, Mg and O2 is a reactant and MgO is a product, and they have separated it by the arrow. Clear? Okay. Now after that we are having next topic, balanced chemical equation. क्या है हमारे पास? Yes, next one is here, balanced chemical equation. So whenever we are talking about the balanced chemical equation, so just remember one thing, any equation we are writing, it should be balanced. Okay, why it should be balanced? Because it should be according to the law of conservation of mass. Every equation have to follow what? Law of conservation of mass. Do you know what is the meaning of law of conservation of mass? That mass can neither be created nor be destroyed. Mass is always remain conserved. Okay, that is why there is a need to balance the equation. Means mass can neither be created nor be destroyed. It should be always remain same. Clear? Oh yes or no बेटा, ठीक है. अब suppose करो they are writing here one equation, let it be Zn plus H2SO4 is known as sulfuric acid. It is forming ZnSO4 plus H2. Am I right? Now all of you see there must that ये जो हमने लिखा है अब हमने चेक करनी है सबसे पहले कि ये इक्वेशन बैलेंस है या नहीं बैलेंस है. ओके, तो व्हाट यू कैन राइट देयर. ओके, प्लीज़ राइट लाइक दिस. यहाँ पर मैंने जिंक लिख दिया, देन आई हैव रिटन हाइड्रोजन, देन आई हैव रिटन सल्फर, देन आई हैव रिटन ऑक्सीजन. ओके, देन हेयर आई एम राइटिंग on the side of reactant and here I am writing on the side of product. ठीक है, हमने अब चेक करना है कि कौन से एटम किस तरफ कितने हैं. नाउ जिंक ऑन द रिएक्टेंट साइड, हाउ मेनी इज देयर? चेक इट आउट, हाउ मेनी इज देयर? आई थिंक ओनली वन. चेक इट ऑन द प्रोडक्ट साइड, ओनली वन. हाइड्रोजन टू चेक, हाउ मेनी हाइड्रोजन? 2 and here again 2 and 2. Check the sulfur, how many sulfur? 1. Here is how many sulfur? 1. Okay, check the oxygen, how many oxygen? 4. Here how many oxygen? 4. Am I right? So here a number of atom present on the reactant side and the product side are equal, so it means it is already balanced equation. Already क्या है ये? Balanced chemical equation. So we have no need to balance it. Is that clear beta? Okay, now we'll move towards next equation. Let it be one equation is given to you. Okay, this is that equation, that is this equation is here beta. Fe, I think this equation is visible to you. Fe plus H2O, Fe3O4 plus H2. First of all we will see कि this equation is balanced or not balanced. Fe लिखो, then hydrogen, then oxygen, then on the reactant side, this is on product side. Okay, you must see now on the reactant side how many iron is there? 1. On the product side how many iron is there? 3. बेटा जी ये वाली इक्वेशन है, ये वाली Fe प्लस H2O एरो Fe3O4 प्लस H2. एम राइट? ओके, नाउ Fe कितने हैं? 1 है. तो यहाँ पर कितने हैं? Fe 3 हैं. इज इट क्लियर? सेम वे यू सी द हाइड्रोजन ऑन द रिएक्टेंट साइड 2, on the product side also 2. Oxygen 1 on the reactant side, on the product side 4. Is this equation is balanced? No, this equation is not balanced. It means we have to balance this equation. Okay beta, so let's do the balancing of this equation. You please see, all of you, how to balance this equation. First of all I am writing the equation again. क्या थी equation आपके पास? Fe plus H2O arrow Fe3O4 plus H2. Okay, now you see please, all of you, what the way, different method I will tell you to balance this equation. Write here A, in the front of H2O you write B, in front of Fe3O4 you write C, in front of H2 you write D. Okay, now after that see आयरन का क्या है? A है ना, A. Here Fe3 क्या है? C. A is equal to 3C. Is that clear? Now H2 क्या है? B. 2b, h कहाँ है यहाँ पर h इज इक्वल टू 2d। नाउ यू सी द ऑक्सीजन, कितनी है ऑक्सीजन के आगे, b है, b इक्वल टू, यहाँ पर ऑक्सीजन कितने हैं, 4 है, तो इट बिकम 4c। इज ए क्लियर? देन आफ्टर दैट लेट इट बी, आपने क्या करना है इसके बाद, a को 1 मान लो आप, a वैल्यू इज 1, व्हेन a वैल्यू इज 1 then automatically it is clear, then value of c will be 1/3। इज ए क्लियर? a की वैल्यू आ गई आपके पास, c की वैल्यू आ गई। नाउ फ्रॉम द c कैन वी फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ b, c की वैल्यू कितनी है, 1/3, देन b विल बी इक्वल टू 4/3। एम आई राइट? b कितना आ गया आपके पास, 4/3। नाउ a is given to us, c is given to us, b is given to us, what is left to find out, ये वाली d की वैल्यू, 2b is equal to 2d, 2 कैंसिल, तो b इक्वल टू d, तो जितनी आपके पास b की वैल्यू है सेम वैल्यू विल बी फॉर द d, और एम आई राइट? तो d इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू 4/3। क्लियर है? वंस अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग टू यू टू ऑल, यू प्लीज सी, a की वैल्यू हमने मान ली कितनी है, 1 है, c वैल्यू इज 1/3, प्लीज़ नोट डाउन, d वैल्यू इज 4/3, ओके, एंड b वैल्यू इज ऑल्सो 4/3। नाउ वी हैव टू पुट दीज वैल्यूज इन द अबव इक्वेशन। कहाँ फिल करनी है, यहाँ फिल करो, यू मस्ट फिल द वैल्यूज ओवर हेयर, यहाँ पर a b c d की वैल्यू हमने क्या करनी है, फिल करनी है। आई विल फिल इट, यू प्लीज़ make your eye on the equation only. I am filling all these values one by one, okay? You see please, okay? What was the equation over there? क्या थी equation हमारे पास, fe, and what we written on the in the front of fe, a लिखा था, a की वैल्यू कितनी है, what is the value of a, 1, a 1 लिख दिया मैंने, प्लस क्या था हमारे पास, H2O एरो, Fe3O4 प्लस H2, यही था ना हमारे पास। नाउ यू सी प्लीज़, a की वैल्यू 1 थी, b की वैल्यू कितनी थी हमारे पास, b वैल्यू वाज 4/3, ये लिख दिया मैंने 4/3। वैल्यू ऑफ c, c इज़ 1/3, वैल्यू ऑफ d 4/3। हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? और येस और नो, ये आपके पास क्या आ गई, a b c d कोफिशिएंट की वैल्यू मैंने आई हैव फिल्ड ओवर देयर, क्या कर दी मैंने, वैल्यू फिल कर दी वहाँ पर। ठीक है बेटा, ये आपकी क्या बन गई है, दिस इज़ योर बैलेंस्ड इक्वेशन। क्या बन गई है, ये आपकी बैलेंस्ड इक्वेशन बन गई है। बट व्हाट वी कैन डू बेटा, ये अब सारी इक्वेशन फ्रैक्शनल में है। वेयर इट इज़, हाउ इट इज़ इन द फ्रैक्शनल। किस में है ये फ्रैक्शनल में है। हम क्या कर सकते हैं इसको, व्हाट वी कैन डू जस्ट वन थिंग, that we can multiply this full equation by 3, ताकि वह फ्रैक्शन ख़त्म हो जाए। एवरीवेयर 3, यहाँ पर 3, यहाँ पर भी 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, यहाँ पर भी 3 से, हेयर आल्सो विद द 3, तो क्या आ जाएगा यहाँ पर 3Fe कैंसिल प्लस 4H2O एरो Fe3O4 प्लस 4H2। इज ए क्लियर? ये लो, दिस इज आवर फाइनल बैलेंस्ड इक्वेशन। आई थिंक हैव यू अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू? दिस इज आवर फाइनल बैलेंस्ड केमिकल equation that we have made. I hope you all are getting my point. Okay students? Okay, same way beta we can balance any equation. This is the balancing equation we have done by our own method. Okay, a book has done by different method. This is a hit and trial method. You can use that one also. If you want to use that method, that is a direct method. Okay, now after that, yeah, they have written few equations. Now अब ये वाली इक्वेशन लिखी है बेटा, जैसे इन्होंने क्या लिखा है इसमें, CO गैस प्लस 2H2 gas, arrow, CH3OH। बेटा ये इक्वेशन इज बैलेंस्ड, बट व्हाट दे आर ट्राइंग टू डू, ये क्या लिखते हैं यहाँ पर, ये इन्होंने दे आर सेइंग कि व्हेन एवर प्रेशर इज गिवन ऑफ रिएक्शन ऑलवेज रिटर्न ओवर द एरो। ओके, ऑलवेज रिटर्न ओवर द एरो, एरो के ऊपर लिखना है प्रेशर, ठीक है। सेम वे वन मोर इक्वेशन दे आर गिविंग टू यू, ये वाली बेटा देखो आप, आई थिंक रिएक्शन इज विजिबल टू यू, 6CO2 प्लस 6 वाटर। देखो नीचे क्या लिखते हैं, एक 6CO2 क्या है, एक्वस, मीन CO2 इन द वाटर। दिस सिंबल L for liquid, what they are forming, C6H12O6 plus 6O2, yes or no? And this reaction is happening in the presence of sunlight, क्या है, सनलाइट एंड द क्लोरोफिल। क्या था आपके पास, बोलो, सनलाइट एंड क्लोरोफिल। इज ए क्लियर, क्या क्या है हमारे पास, सनलाइट एंड क्लोरोफिल। ये सनलाइट एंड क्लोरोफिल बोथ आर एक्टिंग एज एन कैटलिस्ट, दैट इज ऑलवेज रिटन ऑन द एरो। प्रेशर गिवन है आपके पास, कोई कैटलिस्ट गिवन है, दैट इज रिटन ओवर द एरो। जस्ट रिमेंबर दीज थिंग्स। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, I hope you are getting my point. Student, this is a balancing of chemical equation. I have made one video also already on the balancing of chemical equation. Of that equation link I have sent you in a previous video also. In this video also, in the comment box I will share you link of that video. Please see that video also and this video also, and I hope you will understand by this one. Thank you so much to all of you. Thank you, madam.